There's a strike.
You see it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think I did see it. You missed it. They might want something smaller. I see that what's on the water right now. Parachute Adams time. Never failed. Oh, that was a fish. Well, maybe I won't change it. He's missing it. That was twice, probably same fish. I bet if I put a caddis emerger on, I'll work this whole. It's they're fun. You never know what could be. Nope, not yet. They'll probably just. I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Give me just 1 minute. They're like coming up and just like turning on it. Let's do a rod change. Then I'm going to change this fly. At least they're going for it. I just think it's might be a little too big. There we go. You like the nymph? The third cast. Let's get them in a minute. What are you? Just a rainbow. Pretty though. Looks like a wild rainbow. All fins.
What's up?
See the white tips?
Yeah.
I don't know, 9-10 inch fish. First catch of the day, rainbow, not bad. Get the hamlet again. Yep. Come on, buddy. Hook's out already. Yeah, nice little white fins, Pretty marks. Meow. What is that, the third cast with this rod? Fourth cast? Finding this new magnet on there. You want to try?
No.
That's a decent little fish for that. For right here. Oh, I see it. I'm watching the yellow leader. I actually saw it stop. Where the leader meets. And you use it as like an indicator. Probably just start. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like got down on the bottom so fast. That was one. That was a real small one. Do you see the shine? It's like the size of a leaf. All right, last cast. Oh, there you go. All right. That's a good sign to kind of come over here, right? Well, I don't know if you guys just heard that, but there was some sort of hawk that just squeaked behind me. Oh, there it is again. I'm coming from up over there somewhere. Sometimes I get them called back. Well, there's the river I'm working. First time ever been to this section. I actually fished this river up in its headwaters yesterday. This is the West Fork of the Black River in the White Mountains of Arizona. Just kind of messing around. I have a little stimulator on, saw some hoppers. Got some fish to come up, but I'm probably going to go to a smaller fly here. Probably a parachute Adams, like size 16, or a elk hair caddis. And then I'll work this river. I'll come back down and probably use a bead head of some sort, maybe a streamer. Especially if there's going to be holes like this. Wow. What's sitting in there? Oh, lost my fly for a moment. I want to just move up to those riffles come in. You never know what could be in here. I bet if I had a streamer on or woolly bugger, bead head, might be trying that later. I had crawfish down at my feet in my shadow. There's actually 3 of them right there. There's one here. I bet you come in with a small crayfish pattern too, you might do pretty well. I understand there's could be some good sized brown trout in here, but I'm looking for Apache trout. Tell you what, the fish are not liking this fly right now. I'm missing right there. I never know what could be right along the grass and there in the shadows. And I bet there could be something really big in here. Yeah, hard to say. I had a lot of strikes down earlier on this fly. This is the deepest hole I've come to find. I mean, wow. You full on goes swimming in here, no problem. Right along there, holy shit. Oh, I had oh, there's a small strike, finally, something. There was something. Come on, one more time. Looked like a rainbow. nothing through there. On that far side, I don't want to switch flies yet. You can see where the main food comes in from here. These two main, fast water. See the bubbles. You can see where the fish, they could be sitting on that far bank. Right through the bubbles there. Wow, dude. Over there. Well, small one. Small strike. In the middle. Holy crap. Oh, there we go. There's something. What do we got here? It's just rainbow. Wet my hands. Now, it sure looks like a rainbow to me, or maybe a hybrid actually. Oops. Gonna wait again. I'm seeing some. Oh, I'm gonna get him back in the water. Anyway, pretty little fish. Going back. Yeah. Ending my day on this section up here. I didn't catch all that many fish. Caught maybe half a dozen. Caught some fish that looked like they might have been a hybrid between an Apache and a rainbow. Caught one that was, in my opinion, definitely a rainbow. You can see what I'm kind of working on here right now. I guess I could have maybe taken some sort of lower route, maybe right there, but still deal with bushes and up and over. There's this route taking me the mountain goat route. Hopefully I'm not recording myself. I'm gonna tumble down the mountain here in a minute. Good thing I got longer legs. Yeah, buddy. My lips are dry. Alright, time to turn the rod backwards. It's easier to go in sometimes with the butt end first. Yep. Oh yeah. Pretty colors. Look at those colors, man. Pretty. Alright, what am I calling? Alright, and back up.